Students, today we are starting chapter 2 of chemistry, which is matter around us pure? In this chapter, we will study some more things about the matter. Now let's begin. How do we judge whether milk, ghee, butter, salt, spices, mineral water or juice that we buy from market are pure? Have you ever noticed the word pure written on the packets of these food items? For a common person, pure means having no adulteration. But for a scientist, all these things are actually mixture of different substances and hence not pure. For example, milk is actually mixture of water, fat, proteins and even many more things. When a scientist says that something is pure, it means that all the consistent particles of that substance are same in their chemical nature. A pure substance consists of a single type of particles. In other words, a substance is pure, single form of matter. As we look around, we see that most of the matter around us exists as a mixture of two or more pure components. For example, seawater, minerals, soil, all are mixture. Now we will study about the classification of matter on the basis of chemical composition. On the basis of chemical composition, matter exists either as a single substance or as a mixture containing two or more substances. So firstly student, we must know what a substance is. So here we go. Substance, a kind of matter that cannot be separated into other kinds by physical process is called a substance. A sample of matter containing only one substance is called pure substance. Now we will understand few characteristics of a substance. Students, a substance contains only one kind of atom or molecule. It has a uniform composition. Uniform composition means throughout the sample of the substance, its constituent will be same, in same fashion they will be distributed. That is why they are called homogeneous. Next is, it has definite melting point, boiling point, density and other properties. Pure substances can be further classified into elements and compounds. So students, today we understood what a pure substance means, what is the definition of pure for a chemist. Now we will find out how to check the purity of a substance. Each substance has definite or can say fixed melting point, boiling point, density, refractive index, etc. These properties are very sensitive to impurities. Therefore, the purity of any substance can be checked by determining its melting and boiling points or any other property. So students, we have understood substances, their characteristics and how to check their purity. Keep learning, and if you have any doubt you can ask in comment section.